Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another daily work from home job lead. This one is medical or healthcare data entry. So it is non-phone. I know that's what a lot of you are looking for, but real quickly, before we get into all of the details, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, finding the best work from home job leads available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed. And as always, the links to everything I discuss are in the YouTube description box below. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company RomTech. Now, RomTech is an orthopedic rehab technology company, and they are hiring a data entry specialist. Now, this says it is full-time, it is remote work from home, it is for my United States folks only. They are looking for someone who is self-motivated with a high attention to detail. You'll manage the DME, which is durable medical equipment, order intake email account. So it is non-phone. You'll monitor that email account and you'll accurately enter all new orders that come into that email account within 24 hours of receipt. You'll review orders for errors and incomplete information. You'll contact billing and sales to get any information that is missing that is required for an order. You'll input new ordering surgeons into the system and assist with any data entry projects. Now, they are looking for someone who can type at least 50 words per minute. Someone who has medical data entry experience is preferred, but not required. They do want someone who has a basic knowledge of medical insurance, good time management skills, a self-starter, and attention to detail. Now, while this job description did not list the salary, I have been told it is between $16 to $18 an hour, so that is just the estimate. You would have to ask them the actual salary at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.